Hi everybody, this is Joe Jurek and welcome back to Joe Jurek's Real Estate Adventures. I hope you're having a great day out there today. What do I want to talk about today? Time. Are you often late or do you make a point of it to be on time? Like the old cliche, time is money. If you're going to a real estate auction and you're running late, oh there was traffic, something came up, I know the auction starts at 9, but they'll wait for me if I get there at 9:30. No, they won't, okay? The auctioneer is not gonna say, oh, Joe's not here, so, let's wait till Joe gets here so he can bid up the auction, right? It's gonna take place at 9 a.m. sharp, whether I'm there or not. So what I wanna tell you, the biggest compliment you can give people sometimes is valuing their time, whether it be a realtor, a banker, a contractor, anyone you're meeting. Try to be there a little bit early because it's a respect for their time. Their time is valuable, your time is valuable. So every time you're late, what is that really saying about yourself? Just make sure you do better time management, you get to places on time, and people are gonna respect you a lot more for valuing their time as well. So until next time, go make your dreams a reality. Take care, everybody. Bye, believe and achieve.